Hey y'all, it's RHM here and I'm back with another tutorial. This one is a 360 frontal wig. This is the wig. I bleached the knots. I did not get to pluck it just yet. It looks very natural. The bleach did run over just a little bit, but I am not worried about that because I can fix that. So I went ahead and put the cap on already. If you watched the previous video, you should already know how to apply the cap. Once the cap is down, I applied 3 to 4 layers of bolt hole adhesive. Wait each time for it to clear, then blow dry. Then pull lace forward using the back of my comb to lay it down. I did do one side at a time because it just makes it easier. Now, the hot comb is my best friend. Pushing it to the back like that gives it this fresh perm look, which I love. You can't even see the over bleached parts that there were. I did use black tinting spray in order to get rid of that. Then I sewed the back down. Now, as you can see, yeah, I'm like really loving this. The blow dryer is a big help. You have to blow dry, whether it's a wig, whether it's just a frontal, use the blow dryer. It definitely makes a difference in the installs. As I'm plucking, I am holding the front of the frontal down. Wow, look at that. What freaking frontal. Okay, this is her first frontal and I just love how it came out. The baby hairs were done with the Got To Be Free spray. It gives it definitely a Tay look. Okay, sis. You are popping. Yes. What frontal? Okay. And you see she's feeling herself. Yes. We definitely laid that down. This wig is from Elemo Hair, and I just absolutely love their frontals. They blend with any skin complexion, any skin tone. Just all perfect. I love it. Love the hair. It's super soft. She loves her hair, as you can see. Yeah, this is just the perfect install. Now I'm just finishing it off, adding a few touches. I am using a spray bottle. The only thing in the spray bottle is water. Again, this hair is absolutely amazing. You do not need to add anything else on it. This install is just amazing. Look at the frontal. If y'all can zoom in, go ahead and zoom in because I do not see any frontal. You see her frontal is? She is feeling herself.
You gotta be a baddie. That's my type. What? That's my type, nigga. That's my type.
I never had a bitch from Slauson. Yeah, I like to
like he won't turn your ass to run. They say why we ain't killing down, he's on his dead for a couple months. You know, blow his ass a smoker. He put 3 grams in the blunt. Got a boost to shield door. I don't pay for single one. Ain't no picture with the